Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. In this case, I'm going to show you how you can set up OPEN-WEBUI with InfermaticAI. Remember that OPEN-WEBUI is a self-hosted AI platform in which you're going to find a lot of incredible features that are free. We're going to go through their documentation, and on the Getting Started section, we're going to follow these steps. We're gonna go by Docker. If you don't have Docker installed, I'll leave you a link in the description so you can set it up yourself. For the next part, you'll need an Infermatic plan that has API access. We have two offerings, the Essential with 1 parallel request, 12 requests per minute, and Plus that has 2 parallel requests and 18 requests per minute. Infermatic follows the policy of no logging of prompts, so you can enjoy privacy and a robust security. You can check the models that we offer in the link that I'm gonna leave you in the description. We're gonna click on the first command and paste it on our terminal. That's gonna pull the OPEN-WEBUI image. And the second step is run the container. We're gonna go by single user mode. We check that the container is running perfectly by those two commands. And then we visit the website by clicking on the URL localhost. To connect it with InfermaticAI, we need the URL and the API key. And then after we paste those two parameters, we're gonna go on the Add Connection section on Settings, and after we add the connection, we click Save, and we are gonna see the models on the dropdown. Chatting is just the simplest way you can use it, because you can actually include text-to-speech or speech-to-text. You can leave prompts stored or also knowledge. You can go by image generation or web search if the models handle it. So yeah, for example, that little code interpreter button that's there, we're gonna try it on so you can see it. I'm gonna paste a little function, a little fetch function. You can see that there's actually an error because that's not the correct API key. So that's great. We're gonna try with a vision model an image. I'm gonna paste an image. You can also, if the model handles it, you can put a file on it. So after we put an image, you see there its output. We are also trying a little story so you can see how the text-to-speech works. OPEN-WEBUI gives you free text-to-speech models, but if you want to include yours, you can actually do it and configure it on the settings part.
Here it is, in the heart of the whispering woods, where sunbeams filtered through the leafy canopy and birds sang sweet melodies.
On the chat control section, you'll find the samplers you can modify. Remember that in our documentation, you'll find the samplers we support, so better check that out first. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. And remember that if you have any question, you can leave it in the comments.